back to our channel. So today we are going to unbox HX750 drone, and this one it's easily available in the market. You can get this drone from Flipkart or Amazon, which is cheapest one. I can say under 1500 bucks. I got this uh, drone from a local market, a local shop nearby in my place. So you can get this from Amazon or Flipkart. So today we gonna unbox this and see what are the components we got and how it is flying. Okay, let me unbox it. So we have this. There are two models. One is black, another one is white. Two colors which comes with this variant. The one which I got is white color. I really like this black color one, but unfortunately I didn't get this one. Actually I had this, but the thing is that black color one had some issue, so I had to go for this white one. uh, okay, so without further ado, let's open it. um, okay, which is nicely packed. I have got one remote control, which is one remote control, and yeah, I also got one charger. This is one charger I got, and with this I got two spare propellers. We got only two, so this is a one. And next comes the drone. Just something is stuck. Yeah, finally we got our drone, which is a quadcopter. Okay, so let's look what we got. We got one drone. Four propellers are already embedded, and we have two spare propellers. These two are the spare propellers, and we got one charger. Okay, so first see the drone. Okay, actually this has to be tied with this. During the testing we just cut this knot, and then we had taken this. So make sure this knot is tied when you are buying it from Amazon or Flipkart. Okay, so so this drone is run by a 3.7 volt battery. That battery is already inserted inside. In few models the battery also comes with this pack. So there is a pack. In this pack the battery also comes along with these items, so you can simply insert it, and there is a provision for that. You can insert this, you can see over here, and this one you have to connect while flying. And okay, so there are four propellers. There four breast motor. It is not a breastless, it's a breast motor. And in the front, so this is a front of the quadcopter. You can see there is a camera. The camera is not there. This model is not comes with the camera. So HS750C comes with a camera. So there is no much difference from this model to that. Only difference is that model comes with the camera. Here there is a provision for that camera, so which is a dummy one. And yeah, that's all about this. So we just need to plug in these connectors while flying. Okay, and let me go back to this transmitter. I really like this design. It should be a black color. I would have loved that, but still it's good. uh, we have some 8 buttons, and there are 3 buttons in the front, and we have 2 controls. So this control is to make the aircraft fly. That means if you turn on this, I mean if you press this lever up, the drone will go up, and then when it goes down, the drone will come down. And this is as simple as it. When you press it left, the drone will travel towards the left direction, and this one is travel towards the right direction, sorry, left direction. And you have this one is to front, to move the drone front direction, and this one to move the drone backward direction. So, and there are some buttons here. For each of these buttons you have like, to control the sensitivity or else the stability of this drone, we have all this button. So yeah, I forgot to take out one more thing, the one important thing from the box. So that is this user manual. Yes, this user manual is very much important for you to understand the function of all these keys. So here, if in this manual they have clearly explained about the function of all these keys. Yeah, so all these keys in better way. Okay, I will give you the glimpse of what they have given over here. Maybe you can go through this particular manual to understand what exactly it is there. And okay, and this one, it's mainly to control the sensitivity. That means that, like, when you press this button, when you move this joystick, what happens is, like, your the motor starts uh, powered up, and then it all gets its rotational motion. And so how fast it should rotate, suppose if you're a beginner, then I always recommend you to go for this less sensitivity, so that even if you press this joystick to the give the throttle to the maximum extent, it won't fly that far. It won't give that jerk movement while flying. But so if you are a beginner, I always recommend you to keep the low sensitivity using this particular button. And we have this button. This button is really interesting one to make a flip. If you are a professional drone pilot, then you would have done multiple flip using multiple buttons, but here this comes with a one click flip on the app. So if you want to go for the flip, you can just click this button, the flip will be done automatically. And this is a off or on button. You have to on this button, you can see the sound. So we have already inserted 3 A batteries. It's not a double A, it's a batteries. There are 3 A batteries that I have already inserted that. So let me turn off at this moment. Before that, let me turn on this our drone. So this connector, it's an easy one. Yeah, you can see once you plug in this connector, you can see 2 red LEDs and 2 black, brown, blue LEDs blinking. So you can see that. So this is a 2 blue LEDs will be blinking, and then 2 red LEDs will be blinking. And you might be wondering, like, which side is the front direction of the quad. So always the red direction, the red light indicates the front direction, so your drone will fly in this direction. So whenever you are taking the movement up or down or front or back or left or right, it has to be done in accordance with this red light. If you are moving your aircraft if you are keeping your drone at the different light direction, then you won't get the proper control. So always keep the drone in this direction before you fly. So this is the first step. You have to turn on you have plugged in. You can see that the lights are glowing up, and turn on your transmitter. Once you turn on, so before arming your transmitter to your receiver, just you have enough space in case if it take off. Yes. Now, so for arming this transmitter with this receiver on the drone, what you have to do is, you just need to throttle your control, go up, down. Once you go up and down, it is get on. That means that whatever the input you are giving using this transmitter, that will be transmitted to your receiver on the board. So let me check. See, you can see the flight is taking off. I see that there is a one motor which is not flying that enough, or which is not giving the rotation motions. So what it indicates is your battery is low. What all you need to do is, when you are first getting your pack or the drone from Amazon or Flipkart, first time you have to charge it for minimum 30 to 40 minutes. So how you have to charge is, just unplug this. Yeah, so there will be a two pin. This pin comes from the battery. You can see this is from the battery, and this pin, it goes into the transmitter, receiver on the board. So this wire you have to take, and you have a female, this is a male and you have the female. Just connect this, sorry, just connect these two pin, and this is just like your USB. You can use your mobile charger or any adapter you have. You just use that. Once you connect to this power supply, you can see a red LED glowing on this pin, so which means that your drone is getting charged. So once the LED goes off, that indicates that the battery is fully charged. The battery which present over here is 3.7 volt 350 mAh battery. So it's like, once it takes approximately 20 to 25 minutes to charge this battery. At first you have to charge for minimum 30 to 40 minutes, and further flight you can charge up to 20 minutes. And if you ask me the duration of the flight, I can say 8 minutes. So I have tested with, not with this model, but with the same variant. I have tested it before, so it comes up around 8 to 9. Let's see the flight. So first, turn on the transmitter. You can see the blink of LEDs, just up, down. Yeah, it's get on now. Just lift this throttle. Yeah, you would have seen the flight. Yeah, this is how the flight is. So I'm planning to upload another video for you guys of full controlling this small quadcopter. The model is HS750 drone, and it comes with this particular transmitter, and you have one charger kit, and you have two propellers, spare propellers. Thank you guys for watching this video.